Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you a new artificial intelligence tool called Copilot. Although Copilot can work just like Gemini or ChatGPT, means it can write you essays, stories and give you answers to your questions. Copilot has an additional property also, that it can generate images for you. Copilot's old name was Bing. To create images, you can either first use Copilot or Gemini to write you some prompts for image generation, or you can also type your own prompts in the Copilot for image generation. So let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you can see, I have already generated some prompts for image generation using Gemini. Let me copy this first prompt and paste it in Copilot chat box and hit enter. In a few moments, it will create your desired images. So these are the images it created for us. Now let's try this prompt. Wow, it created these images. Let me copy and paste some more prompts and generate images for you. So you can see that I am copying prompts and pasting it, and the Copilot is generating beautiful images of my choice. In the end, let's try our own prompts. Let me write a prompt here. So this prompt will generate these images. Let's try some more manual prompts. See the wonders. You can create whatever images you want. But remember, it do not accept abusive or vulgar prompts for image generation. Also, you cannot create fake images of some famous personalities. You can either use this tool for fun, or you can also use it for creating amazing pictures for hanging on your walls, or you can also use them for earning purposes. So this was all for today. Next time I will be here with some another amazing tools. Till then, Allah Hafiz and bye.